Measuring the body accurately is so important when it comes to making your own clothing. To measure yourself, you'll need a tape measure, mirror, and somewhere to write down your measurements to keep track as you go. Make sure that when you measure yourself, you're standing with good posture, but also keeping your body relaxed. Here are some of the key measurements that you will need to know. Let's start off with the bust. To measure your bust, you want to measure parallel to the ground around the widest part of your bust. Waist. Similarly parallel to the ground, this measurement should wrap around your natural waistline. You can find your natural waist by bending side to side. The part where your body bends is where you should measure. Hips. The hip measurement should wrap around the widest part of your hips, which is at a different height for everyone. Make sure to continue to keep the tape measure parallel to the ground. Front waist length. Find the center of your torso and vertically measure from the base of your neck to your natural waist. Arm length. Place the tape measure at the shoulder seam and measure down the elbow and wrist, right to where you'd like your sleeve to cut off. Back width. For your back, find your back armpits. These will be your endpoints. You want to measure horizontally across your shoulder blades. Back length. This measurement should run from the nape of your neck down your spine. Shoulder width. To measure your shoulder width, run the tape measure from one shoulder coming up to the bend in your neck and back down to the other shoulder. Now you have some key measurements to get started. We hope that this video helps, and good luck with your creations, and be sure to tag Sister Mag patterns in your photos. We'd love to see your work.